Yo people, Garrett here for another video. In this video, we are going to be testing out and unboxing the PTU-5000 from Phenyx Pro. Now I gotta be honest about something, they did send this to me, but at the same time, they did not tell me to say anything about the product, so any opinions are my own opinions. Either way though guys, the one they sent me comes with two handheld mics, two lapel or lavalier microphones that clip onto you, and it also comes with a headset microphone. On Amazon.com, it ships internationally. There is a few different kits to choose from, and they are kind of based on what most people would need for different setups. So this one kind of covers everything, but if you want 4 handheld mics, you can get that. If you want an extra headset, you can also get that. We will link everything down below. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Just pull up here. There we go. We start off with some foam, so nice and padded, I guess. Like it? Let's see what this is. It's saying where you can go to contact if you're unhappy about something, so that's good to see. Next we have our manual. If you want to read through this, don't. Here is the actual stuff we care about. So, we have our receiver here. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, so here it is. It's upside down. There we go. Look at that. So we have two screens here. It looks like there is some plastic kind of covering them, just to keep them well protected. We have our power button, we have our volume knobs, and some little indications over at the sides. Now this does have some mounting brackets, so if you have a big system, you can mount it. But yeah, all metal, really, really cool. Definitely not going anywhere. Next up, we have antennas, I guess. So these go right into it. They come in little plastic bags. There's one. Perfect. So these just screw on to the receiver just at the back right here. So that will just go like so. Okay, so they go on just like that, and then at the back you do have all your inputs. So you have your 4 different channel inputs, then you have your mix out, just depending on what your setup is. Pretty cool. That seems, oh, and then you also have your little power input there as well. There we go, really, really cool. These knobs, oh, they actually, they click. Can't hear it, but they do click at each different turn. So yeah, it looks like there's at least like 20-30 clicks when you do turn this, but let's move this to the side. So we have our foam, we can remove this, and here is really what people care about the most, I guess. Obviously the receiver is important, but start off with the headphone or the headset microphone. But yeah, so here is the headset, guys. It's all metal. Looks like it has a 3-pin XLR input or female attachment there. Pretty cool. A lot of batteries, which I like to see that comes with batteries. Next we have one of our clip-on microphones. Whoa, okay. So, you guys know we have gotten these type of microphones before from companies. This is definitely a higher quality than the other ones. Let's take off the foam windscreen. Oh wow, that is completely different than we've seen in the past. To test that out, that might be really useful actually, because I do have some other products from some other companies that use the 3-pin XLR inputs, so I'm really happy to see that. It comes with a metal clip right there. We have another one here, so same type of situation. With this side, we have, okay, so here is your power brick. It's actually a pretty big brick. This is plastic, but obviously it is. Be weird if it was metal. Oh, okay, happy to see this. Wow, really, I actually had to pay for one of these before. Yeah, this is a converter, so you can put in your standard like 3.5mm headphone jack, I believe. So that's quite cool. And then we have your standard cable, so you probably have a lot of these at home, guys, already, but yeah, that just goes on there. Happy to see it coming with an adapter. Next up, guys, we got our receiver or our transmitters. So this is the power battery pack that goes on you. So it just opens up right here, it seems. How does this open? There we go. Your batteries go in right there. Quite cool. It says Phenyx on it. UHF body pack transmitter. Nice to see. And yeah, it just has a metal clip. Obviously, oh, that's a really strong clip. Okay. And yeah, that's where your input is, and that's where the power button is. Quite cool. We do get 2 of those. So here's the second one. Pretty standard length antenna on it. So happy to see that. Get both. The last thing we get 2 handheld mics. Wow, this is all metal. Can you guys? This is all metal. Even the handle. That screws off. I'm guessing your batteries go here. Yeah, that's where your batteries go. That's really cool. Yeah, these are really heavy, guys. There it is. Pretty cool. It does have some foam there, so it's well protected. There we go. I like it. Okay, let's go ahead, guys, and I'm going to set this up, and then we can try this all out. So here we go. Okay, guys, so we now have them all set up. The setup process is really easy. I was going to include a clip on setting it up, but there's no point. I put in the batteries for the mics, and I turned them on. That's all I had to do there. For the receiver, I plugged it into power, plugged it into my computer, and then I clicked the power button. Really, really easy. It's kind of mind-blowing. I just have it in the 3.5mm jack in my computer, so obviously an XLR input would be a lot better, but I don't really have anything for that. So if you have like a mixer on your like in your setup, or if you're putting it into a speaker, that's when you'll probably be using the XLR. Let me know your thoughts currently, because you are hearing the lav mic that is clipped onto me, which is my personal favorite mic out of all these. I've listened to all of them, and I just think this one is the winner. I'm going to read out a quote. It's kind of special. If you guys know, there is a YouTube channel, The King of Random, and their owner, Grant Thompson, passed away recently. There was a quote that I heard said in one of the videos relating to his passing. If I do not know how to do something today, give me a day and I can do it tomorrow. So let me know how you thought it sounded there. Also, we'll do a plosives test, so please bring pizza, please bring pizza. There we go. Or pickle, 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 pickle. I don't know, both those work. Now let's switch over to the microphone that is in front of my face. Now, something to note with this is that I find the plosives to be a little bit interesting. I'll say, and I'll talk about more of that in a second, but let's turn them both. We'll have both these on. So now you're hearing both the microphones. Another thing to note with this is that obviously you can just adjust the volumes, but since they're on different channels, there's no harm in turning them on and off. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to make it so you're only listening to the microphone that is the headset mic. So here we go. You are currently only listening to the headset. Let me know what your thoughts are on this one. It's obviously going to be probably a little bit louder. I did lower it a bit. Now, the reason I have it in this position is the plosives are quite bad on this. So please bring pizza, pickle, 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 pickle. That might have sounded okay, but let me move it kind of up a bit. Pickle, 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 pickle. Please bring pizza. Yeah. I think it could use some improvements there. But let me know your thoughts. So let's read the line. If I do not know how to do something today, give me a day and I can do it tomorrow. And now let's switch over to the microphone here, the handheld microphone. So again, what we'll do is we'll keep this one on, but I'll also turn this on. So, something to note with this, power's at the bottom. It's a bit interesting. But now it is on, and we will turn off the lav mic that is on the headset. So here we go. You should now only be hearing the handheld microphone. So one thing we got to note with this is a handling noise. We have to listen to that. I think the handling noise is pretty good. Honestly, no complaints there. Now let's go ahead and check out kind of like the distance. So I have it down a bit, obviously for plosives to be better. So please bring pizza, pickle, 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 pickle. If you raise it up, please bring pizza, pickle, 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 pickle. Obviously their plosives are probably quite a bit worse. And now what we'll do is we'll move the mic a bit further. So we're going to have it around half an arm's reach. Hello, hello, hello. And now full arm's reach. Hello, 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 hello. So there we go, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Obviously, too, if it's further away, you're going to hear more of the environment noise. Well, you won't hear more of the environment noise, but if it's further away, you're going to have to turn up the gain levels, which is something you can do, but that's when you get those like buzzing sounds from the room you're in. So either way, let's read the line. If I do not know how to do something today, give me a day and I can do it tomorrow. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts on it. Something to note with this mic, I found this one to be very soothing sounding, more calm. Not as much of a large like the highs aren't really there. It kind of dampens your voice a bit, which it sounds great. It's just something to just keep in mind. I don't know. If you're doing singing, you probably want a microphone like this. And that's more what this style of microphone is designed for. So I can't really say that that's a negative that it's calm, because it still sounds really good. If I do not know how to do something today, give me a day and I can do it tomorrow. If I do not know how to do something today, give me a day and I can do it tomorrow. If I do not know how to do something today, give me a day and I can do it tomorrow. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. You've listened to the audio. I've listened to the audio. Let me know down below what your favorite microphone is. Thank you again to Phenyx Pro for sending this over. If you guys want to get this microphone kit or any of the other microphones from Phenyx Pro, I will link it down below. Again, it's Amazon.com where you can buy these, and they do ship internationally. So guys, thank you for watching. Please drop a like if you enjoyed. Consider subscribing. You guys are awesome. Bye-bye.